Look at that, a pair of sixes. What are the chances? Most people think it's luckier to roll a pair. Assuming you're rolling fair dice, there's a near 70% chance for a pair, whereas in any other combination, it's around 83%. How do we know this? It's all about probability. But what is probability? It is the likelihood of an unexpected event to happen. In other words, it is a chance of something happening. To arrive at the simple probability of an event happening, we take the number of times an expected event can happen and divide it by the total number of possible outcomes. In this shuffled standard deck of 52 playing cards, what is the probability of getting the ace of spades? Oh well, tough luck. With only one ace of spades in a set of 52 cards, we have 1 in 52 chances for the ace of spades, which is 0.019, just shy of 2%. As we see here, probability can be expressed as a fraction, a ratio, in decimals, or as a percentage. Now, there are several rules for figuring out probabilities. First is the complement rule, where we compute for the probability of an event not happening. Here, the sum of the probability of the expected outcome and its complement equals 1, which is the same as the probability of the complement equals 1 minus the probability of the event. Let's take, for example, the probability of not drawing the ace of spades. Using the complement rule, it is 1 minus 1 over 52 or 51 over 52. Another probability rule is the addition rule, used for events that are mutually exclusive. The probability of A or B happening is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. I have 2 coins. What would be the probability of getting either 2 heads or 2 tails? First, there are 4 possibilities here. The probability of getting 2 heads therefore is 1/4 or 25%. Getting 2 tails also 25%. Using the addition rule, we add these up and get 50% or 1/2. Lucky me. Next is the multiplication rule, used to solve the probability of independent events, where the probability of A and B happening is simply the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. An example is throwing a pair of dice and getting 2 sixes. The probability of getting a 6 is 1/6, so multiplying the 2 probabilities, we get 1 over 36. Games of chance rely on probability, but there are many real-life applications of probability too. For example, forecasting the weather. Based on data gathered by weather scientists, there is an 84% chance of rain today. Gotta be prepared. In sports, probability is used to measure and even improve athletic performance. The more players train and put effort in improving themselves, the better the probability of achieving expected results. In the same way, we can also apply probability in our everyday lives. Success is not just all about luck. In whatever we do when we study and train and work to get better, we up our chances. That is, we improve our probability for success.